Okay, happy Friday. Sorry I am not with you guys today. I am celebrating my best friend's wedding. Today we're going to be doing 2 problems, an exit slip, and then a worksheet. These 2 problems are going to be talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. The most important part to know about parallel lines is that these lines never touch. Okay, parallel lines never touch. That means that they have the same slope. Okay, parallel lines have the same slope. The symbol for parallel lines is 2 lines running right next to each other. That is what parallel lines actually look like on a graph. Okay, perpendicular lines, however, their lines do intersect, specifically at a 90-degree angle or a right angle. Okay, and their slopes are opposite signs and flipped fractions. And the symbol for perpendicular is an upside down capital letter T. Okay, so looking at this first problem, we want an equation of the line that is parallel to that blue one and goes to the point -5, -2. Make sure you change this guy in your notes to be a -5, by the way. Okay, so we are first going to plot the points. Okay, so we are going to plot -5, -2. That is this point in pink. We now want to make a line parallel to, so our second step is to find the slope. Okay, what is the slope of that blue line? It is 2 over -5. Okay, so since we have a slope of 2 over -5 and we want it to be parallel means same slope, so we are going to use that slope. We don't have to do anything to it to make our line. So we are going to go down 2 and left 5. Unfortunately, we can only plot 2 points, so we can just connect those guys. I did not do a very good job. And there is our line. And those 2 lines are never going to touch. They're going to go on for infinity. Okay, never going to touch. We now need to write the equation of that pink line. Okay, so we have a good y-intercept here at -4. And we already know the slope. So we have a y-int and a slope. So we are going to do slope-intercept form, which is y equals -2/5 x minus 4. And that is our equation. Okay, moving on to perpendicular, it starts off the same. We are going to plot 2 comma 4, which is right there. And we now just want to find the same slope. It is 2 over -5. Nothing changed there. However, since we want it to be perpendicular to, we have to change the sign. So our new slope is going to be positive now. And it is going to be a flipped fraction, so a 5 over 2. 5 over 2. We can now use that pink slope to plot our line. And we can only plot 2 points, which is fine. And there is our perpendicular line. See how they almost, it looks not going to be perfect, but they do a pretty good job of meeting at a right angle there. Okay, we have to write the equation of that pink line. Again, we have a good y-intercept at -1. And we have our slope, so we can plug into y equals mx plus b. And that guy is your answer. Okay, you guys are going to be working on your exit slip, and then after your exit slip, you will be working on your homework. Okay, have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday.